Why did the human brain start growing? It has to do with the arrival of the glacial cycles. As the climate on Earth stabilized, the most relevant event to our evolution was the one that took out the dinosaurs. 65 million years ago, the warm-blooded mammals emerged, dominating over reptiles, and shortly after, the first primates appeared. Since then, there were three major equilibrium changes that transformed us from monkeys into the primates that we are today. The first one was India hitting Asia. The Himalayas formed, North Africa dried out, and all the monkeys comfortably living in their tropical rainforests had to adapt to this new dryland environment, and so they started to walk. Lucy the ape was one of them. She lived in the trees, but she could also walk. During this entire time, the climate was mostly warm. As the planet started cooling, the Antarctic formed about 30 million years ago and would not have affected life on Earth significantly. But when the Arctic formed, only 2.6 million years ago, which is very short for the lifespan of our planet, for the first time in a very long period of time, our planet had both ice caps. This was the second global environmental change that affected our evolution, the arrival of the glacial cycles. The glacial advancements, the constant sea level changes, forced some of these primates to constantly migrate, creating a new equilibrium of walking primates. This is the moment we actually started walking. And even though these primates used tools and harnessed fire, we still would have perceived them as animals. Because there's one more significant equilibrium change that created us. This new environment would have come from resistance to migrate, an environment that the primates themselves created. A home, a protected environment, which brought safety and comfortable living, but also a very confined area for a bunch of apes to live in. It forced them to develop higher cognitive and social skills, the growth of the neocortex. It's hard to say when, but this change occurred at least 500,000 years ago, because that's how old the oldest Neanderthal remains are. As they were in the same equilibrium as us, they also lived in homes. We have been living this comfortable lifestyle for a very long period of time. First came home, then came the brain.